What's up guys, hope you're having a good day. Now in this video I'm going to talk about dash cams. Now if you're looking for a dash cam, it's almost impossible to decide what you want because there are literally thousands of options online and in stores and you don't know which ones are the good ones, so it's a bit of a gamble. I looked online, there were like so many options, you can't even decide. Some of them are really bad and you got mixed reviews, so it's hard to decide. So I decided to play safe and I went with Xiaomi. I've used Xiaomi's products before and they've all been great. I've had one of the Redmi Note 4, one of the headphones, I've got their power bank. They're all very well built products on a very good price. So I decided to give their dash cam a shot as well. So just received it yesterday and let's see what to get in the box. So here we are. Here's the impressions of the box. Says Xiaomi Yi. Well, it doesn't say Xiaomi, but that's Xiaomi's brand. And it's all in Chinese at the back. And nothing more much, it's pretty simple. So let's open up this box. Even though camera is made of plastic, it feels quite premium and feels really nice in the hand. So the setup is very simple. All you have to do is plug in the device and it should power on. So here I've got my power bank and let's plug it in. And there we go. And I've already inserted the micro SD card on the side there. So as you can see, it's already recording. As soon as it plugs in, it would start recording. You won't have to press any button. That's the whole point of having a dash cam, because once you install it, you should just forget it. Now, the one problem with this camera is though that the menu is all in Chinese. So if you pay attention here, you can see up at the top, it's all Chinese language. But the logos, the little icons here, they're actually quite explanatory. They'll explain you what it's all about. So that's the Wi-Fi, microphone, micro SD. I think that's the lane departure system, warning system that it has. Don't know what that's all about. Looks like the screen rotation. It's a timer, and you can go through this menu using these buttons. And here's your sound, audio, and all that. But even if you don't understand this all, you can still go through the app to access these settings, which is all in English, so it makes it a lot easier. So if you look at the buttons here, I think that is the emergency record button. So if you press that button or you're in an accident, it would automatically save the file in the archives, that it won't get deleted when it records the video in loop, because this dash cams, if you know, they will record the videos in loop and they will delete the older videos when the memory is full. But if you press this button on a particular video, then it will save that, it won't get deleted. You can also go back in the videos. If you click return, you go back to your main screen, and if you click on the second button here, it'll take you into your gallery, and there's where you can see all the video clips that you have made, and you can watch them or you can even delete them. So if you click on the setting button here, and then you can select delete, 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 and that would get deleted from there. Here we are. So let's have a look at the app and see what it looks like. So this is the app that we are talking about. It's called GE Dashcam. We open that, and they have made the setup so simple. All you have to do is click on add device, and you select your dashcam, and this is just next step, confirm Wi-Fi switched on, which it has, and it will automatically detect the camera and it will connect to it. There you go, it's detected it, and I think we are connected. Yep, simple as that. And there you go, and we have got the live feed from the camera. Now, okay, so here, walk through the settings first. So here you can add more devices, and here's SD card. So it's got all the files there, and these are I think those impact triggered ones. So see, it has got the little beacon logo on top of them. That means they've been saved in the archives. And then you get the settings, and in the settings here you can select resolution, which you only got 2 options, but I think for a dash cam it's pretty decent. You got your audio, you can toggle it on and off. G sensor settings, you kind of want to have that. Timestamp, I don't want the logo watermark. We got the Wi-Fi, LCD keep on, power on and off sounds. Pretty simple. And in here you can see what your devices are. Looks the UI looks very inspired by the Google apps. You know, you got the menu on the side here, and then you got your local album here. Oh, that's, I don't know, that's all about it. I'll find that out. And yeah, but let's have a look at the camera video. Now if you pay attention, you might think that the video is a bit shitty, and that is because I haven't taken the protector off of it yet. Let's have a look. Here we go. How's that? That is a beautiful video. Really good quality. I am not even recording, I'm already happy with it. So that's the app, and you can actually, I think, also see it full screen, and here's the full screen view. Very happy with it. And this is actually kind of in a dark room, so I think it's gonna be pretty good. And you can even see the numbers on the clock up at the top here. So imagine in a full daylight it'll be easy to read the number plates. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it for a test drive in the car, and let's see how we go. Guys, so camera is finally installed. It's literally plug and play, very simple. I wanted to do a cleaner job though. I didn't want a cable running through here directly through my windscreen, so I wanted to do it from there down underneath the seat, through this panel, going up the pillar, and through the roof lining, the ceiling lining up here. But the cable was few inches short, so what I ended up doing was to run cable from there underneath the footwell there, and from inside here, and then from in here followed down to the camera. So let's take it for a spin now and see what the video looks like. Hey guys, so the camera is recording at full resolution, and this is during the daylight, as you can see. And I'm speaking so you guys can hear the sound recording quality. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so this is the night video. It looks pretty good in the camera. If anything, it looks a little bit too bright, but I guess I'll see once I watch it in my mobile phone. But it's absolutely dark outside, and but in the camera, it actually, you can see the camera is taking in a lot of light and making a very clear video. So I'm quite happy with that. So I can't wait to go home and have a look on the phone. The video quality of the $60 camera is nothing short of impressive. The video is very well stabilized, colors are nice and sharp and natural, and that wide angle lens is capturing as much of the road as possible. One of my good friends recommended me this camera, so thanks buddy. and the things are just as impressive during the night. As you can see, the camera is taking in a lot of light during a dark, cloudy night and giving you this nice crisp video even on this dark night. And don't be concerned about this hazy glare. That's got nothing to do with the camera. That's just my dirty windscreen. I need to wash my car. So here are my thoughts. I've used a lot of dash cams over the years, and this is by far one of the best dash cams you can buy for $60. I'm very impressed with it, and I highly recommend this camera if you're in the market of getting a dash cam. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video.
It's black and white.